Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ROG Ally. The Steam Deck rival launches on 11th May at less than 1000 USD and powered by AMD Ryzen Z1 chips. So friend, ASUS ROG is proud to announce the ROG Ally, an incredible powerful new Windows 11 gaming handheld powered by a cutting-edge AMD Ryzen Z1 series processor. The Ally can breeze through AAA games and indie titles with ease, and friend, a bright and high refresh rate touchscreen ensure that gamers see their content clearly even when gaming outdoors, and the Ally is easy to carry and handle all day thanks to its lightweight 608-gram design and ergonomic handholds, and when featuring an all-new purpose-built APU and AMD Ryzen Z1 series processor with RDNA 3 graphics, and it is primed to deliver never-before-seen levels of handheld gaming performance. And friend, making all this possible is ROG's zero gravity thermal system, which uses a dual fan system with ultra thin heatsink fins and high friction heat pipes to ensure the Ally stay cool in any orientations. And friend, it runs on Windows 11, meaning gamers can access all their publisher libraries and game streaming service on a single device, and no matter where the latest and greatest titles are available, it can power gamers to victory. And friend, additionally, a special edition to Armory Create makes its debut with ROG Ally, customized with quick performance mode toggles and a game launcher, in-game monitoring software, or a sync support and more. And friend, its launch event will be held on 11th May. So friend, please tune in with for more information. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.